Hello everybody, this is Sanaz Salihovic and welcome to my channel where only you have the power to build your world. Today's video is going to be very different, so make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Alright, if you've been wanting to get into real estate and specific rental properties, then you want to watch this video. A lot of people on YouTube, they show these big fancy houses and they'll tell you, oh, just invest in real estate, you'll be able to have this. Or they show you like, yo, I made this $1 million investing in real estate. I bought this Lamborghini investing in real estate. I started my own business thanks to real estate. And all this like awesome stuff. But it's so far ahead that the audience cannot comprehend the amount of work, effort, money, time takes to get to that point. They show you the fancy stuff, but they do not show you what all it takes to get it. I'm not bashing any of those people. It's awesome they made it to that level, but their audience cannot relate because they're not that far ahead, and they're not giving them any valuable information to get them to that point, other than some motivational crap and showing them the stuff they obtain, like the Lambos in their garage. So I decided to create a brand new series on investing in real estate and how to buy your rental property. Alright, this series is not going to be a 1 or 2 video telling you how to buy a rental property in 15 minutes, which I don't care how intelligent you are and how much money you made, you cannot explain how to buy a rental property in 10 minutes and go over every single detail that is required to buy a rental property. And for the person that's watching to be comfortable enough to go out and buy their rental property. That is just not realistic, and a lot of people will just watch the video, feel hopeless because they do not know how to get there. So they will just continue watching videos online on how to invest in real estate, but never take any action to actually do it, because there's no guide, there's no step-by-step process on how to actually buy a rental property. So I decided to create that guide, to create that video course on how to buy your first rental property. And the way I'm doing it is very different. I'm not just gonna sit here in my office, tell you do this, do this, do this, and just expect you to go out there and do it. Nah, we're gonna do this thing very differently. So here's the kick. I'll be buying a rental property for myself, and I will document everything from the first step I took until the last step. Like literally, I will show you the entire process. What I'm doing to find the property, what I'm doing for financing, everything. I will show you the entire process of me buying another rental property. And in this way, you'll be able to see me find the deal, buy it, get it rented, get it fixed up, everything. And the best way to teach a person that wants to invest in real estate on buying their real estate investment is to actually show them how to buy it, like literally. For example, if you want to learn how to buy a rental property, you go to a real estate investor that buys rental property and you follow him for 2 months, 1 month, 3 months, however long it takes him to buy a rental property. And then you watch him every step along the way and learn all his techniques, all his tricks, everything he does to buy their rental property. And there's a lot of people out there that want to invest in real estate, but they simply do not have a mentor. They simply do not have anybody to follow that's going to show them every single step along the way. So I decided to create this series. This series will be beneficial for every single person that wants to buy a rental property. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. What I plan on doing is making a video series on my process when I'm buying a rental property. Literally, I will show you what I'm doing from day one until the day the property gets rented. From finding the deal, from getting financing, getting pre-qualified, from fixing up the house, buying it, closing, escrow, finding the great tenant, renting the house, collecting the payments, literally every single step along the way from A to Z when it comes to buying a rental property. So if this is something you're interested and you want to follow this journey, this course, just subscribe to the channel, or if you're watching this on Facebook, like the page, and let's go from here. So the next video will be coming in 2 days. So I plan on doing a video every 2 days and uploading it online. This way you'll be able to see the day after day after day what all it takes to get a rental property, everything I'm doing to find the deal, to finance it, to buy it, literally every step along the way. And if you have any suggestions on how to make this series better, you can always ask questions. I'll be covering them in the next video. So this is going to be a very awesome series that's going to benefit a lot of people the right way, not the guru's way that show you this magical Lamborghinis and big mansions, but the everyday person that wants to get into real estate. Especially if you have never bought a rental property, or you bought your first one, but you want to learn some tips along the way to buy your second one, or third one, or fourth one, or fifth one. This will be a group effort where I will show you everything I know, and then if you have any questions, we'll work as a group to find the best answers and help each other out. That way, we all succeed and we all have an awesome experience investing in rental properties. If you like this idea, drop a comment below, subscribe to the channel, like this video, share with all your other friends that are interested in investing in real estate, and let's make this series the ultimate series on buying a rental property. Literally, this will be freaking awesome. I will show you everything. All the behind the scenes action that takes place, not just the fancy stuff collecting rent, showing you stacks of money, but every single step along the way. What are some things that we will cover in this series? We will cover how to get financing, how to find the perfect deal, how to close on the deal, how to get insurance, how to secure your property, find great tenants, rent out the property, fix the property up, paint, everything that you can do by yourself to get started in real estate. We will also go over financial numbers to see if a property is profitable before we even buy it. We will show you how much profit you can make on different types of deals in real estate. I will show you how much profit each rental can make, all the numbers and everything you need to calculate. I'll give you the formulas, literally every single thing. When I'm going to look at a house to buy, I'll take my camera, I'll record a house, I will tell you what I'm looking for, I will tell you how I evaluate a property, I will show you what I look for, what I hate, what I like, what I'm specifically interested in when I go see a property. I will walk you through the houses, explain everything I'm looking at in detail. If you have any questions, you'll be able to drop them on the comment box below. We'll be able to communicate, share ideas, share everything. So you do not want to miss this series. This is going to be epic. If you're ready for this ultimate series, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any other ideas to make this series awesome. Also, let me know what you would like to see from this series. And let's make this something special that a lot of people can learn from. And best of all, you're not going to have to pay for any of this. It is all 100% free. We're all going to be learning in the process together as a community. So it will be beneficial for everybody. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel, drop a like, share it with your friends that are also interested in investing in real estate. And see you in the first video coming 2 days. Check it out. And as always, peace out.